If you're watching this, you're most likely already a part of our client family, and we don't take that for granted. This video is our chance to take a step back and talk about what it really means to work with a certified financial planner and how that shapes the advice, guidance, and support you receive from us every day. My name's Carol Ann Shaban, certified financial planner and president of Prosperity Wealth Planning. Today we are pausing and revisiting the why behind what we do, because it's easy to lose sight of that in our day-to-day. Today we're going to cover what a certified financial planner means for you, the difference between a CFP and a financial advisor, more than just investments, how we evolve with you, what a fiduciary means in practice, the value of ongoing planning, and why our relationship matters. As CFP professionals, we're trained to look at your entire financial life, not just one piece of it. That means every conversation we have, every recommendation we make, it's connected back to your big picture, your goals, your values, and what you're working towards in your life. For us, it's never just about one decision. It's about how that decision fits into your life as a whole. You may have heard the term financial advisor, and it's used broadly. It can mean different things depending on the person. But being a certified financial planner professional, it adds another layer. It reflects a commitment to comprehensive planning, ongoing education, and a fiduciary responsibility to put your interests first. You've trusted us with important parts of your life, and that's something that we don't take lightly. This designation is one of our ways that we hold ourselves accountable to that trust. And while investments are an important part of what we do, it's only one piece of your overall plan. Our role is to help you connect everything, so your investments, your tax strategies, retirement plan, as well as your long-term goals are all working together. Some of the most important work that we do happens in our conversations with our clients, thinking through your decisions before they happen and not just reacting after the fact. Life is not static, and your financial plan shouldn't be either. As things change, whether it's a new opportunity, a life transition, or something unexpected, we're going to adjust your plan to reflect where you are now and where you want to go next. That's why we value staying connected throughout the year. The more we understand what's happening in your life, the better that we can support you. As CFP professionals, we're held to a fiduciary standard. That means that we're required to act in your best interest as our client when providing advice. But beyond the definition, it's about how that shows up in our relationships with you. It's in the questions that we ask you. It's the options that we walk through with you. It's the care that we take in making sure each decision feels right for you and for your situation, not just in theory, but in real life. Financial planning isn't a one-time event. It's an ongoing process. Through our meetings and conversations, we continue to refine your goals, refine your plan, revisit them, and make thoughtful adjustments along the way. Over time, the relationship that we have with you becomes more about just financial advice. It becomes a partnership, and it's one where you have someone who you know understands your full picture and is here to help you navigate whatever's going to be coming up in your life. We get to be a part of your milestones, your decisions, and sometimes even your uncertainties, and it's a responsibility that we truly value. At the end of the day, our goal is very simple: to help you feel clear about where you are, confident in your decisions, and supported along the way. And if there's ever something on your mind, big or small, we hope that you'll reach out to us. And that's what we're here for. So thank you so much for trusting us to be a part of your financial journey. It's truly a privilege, and we don't take it lightly. We really look forward to continuing that journey with you. Thank you so much.
Past performance is not indicative of future results. Investments involve risk and, unless otherwise stated, are not guaranteed. Prosperity Wealth Planning, LLC, is a registered investment advisor located in Irvine, California. Prosperity Wealth Planning may only transact business in those states in which it is registered or qualifies for an exemption or exclusion from registration requirements. The information in this video should not be construed as a substitute for personalized individual advice from Prosperity Wealth Planning. Information is for educational purposes only and is not intended to make an offer or solicitation for the sale or purchase of any specific securities, investments, or investment strategies. Prosperity Wealth Planning is not a CPA firm or law firm and does not provide specific tax advice, legal advice, or estate planning services. You should consult with a qualified tax professional or attorney for tax or legal advice before implementing any strategy discussed herein. Case studies presented are purely hypothetical examples only and do not represent actual clients or results. These studies are provided for educational and illustrative purposes only. Similar or even positive results cannot be guaranteed. Each client has their own unique set of circumstances, so products and strategies may not be suitable for all people. Be sure to first consult with a qualified financial advisor and/or a tax professional before implementing any strategy discussed herein. No portion of these case studies is to be interpreted as a testimonial or endorsement of the firm's investment advisory services. The opinions expressed by our firm or its supervised personnel herein are subject to change without notice. The opinions referenced are as of the date of publication and are subject to change due to changes in the market or economic conditions and may not necessarily come to pass.